Hello and welcome to Things I Buy. In today's video, I'm going to install and demonstrate a bidet that was sent to me by a company called Samodra. This is a dual bidet, so it does both front and back washing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install and I'm going to demonstrate how to use this bidet. It comes in this unmarked box with the bidet itself, a T-splitter to split off your existing plumbing, and a new line to connect from the T-splitter to the bidet itself. This here is all the different buttons and options that you have on the bidet, but I'll get into that later on in the video. To install, you'll need to take off your toilet seat. Usually there's a couple of flaps that you can flip up and then easily remove the screws to take off the seat, just like this. Once that's removed, you can place the bidet roughly where the screw holes are. For this bidet, there's a couple extra pieces that go into these large round holes so that you can more precisely place and tighten your bidet. Your next step now is to shut off your water valve so you don't get water all over the place when you start opening things up. Once the water valve is shut off, remember to flush the toilet so the contents of your bowl don't end up on the floor. If you're finding value in this video, please consider hitting that like button so we can get this video out to more people. Now you can remove this piece just under your toilet bowl, install your T-splitter, tighten the original pipe to the bottom of the splitter, and the pipe that came with the bidet will go here and then into the bidet underneath over here. Now you can turn your valve on and test out your bidet for the first time. This button is to turn on your bidet, then you can move the dial to get different strengths of water flow. If you press this button, the other of the two bidet sides will turn on. One is meant to clean your front and one is meant to clean the back. If you press off, of course it'll turn off, and then if you press this button, then it will dump water to self-clean the bidet. I encourage you to do that after every use so that your bidet is left bacteria clear. I like how easy this bidet is to use. I like that there's multiple options. It is definitely nice to be able to adjust your pressure and not just have like really high pressure, so that especially if it's the first time that you're using a bidet, you can really get comfortable with squirting water in your butthole. Even though this is a cold water only bidet, trust me, you will actually get used to it quite quickly. It's not like freezing cold water that's hitting you there. It's not even gonna feel like freezing cold water, even though it is cold water. You can find this bidet at samodrahome.com, which I'll toss in the description below for you guys. This style of bidet starts on their website at about $39. This is actually really reasonably priced for a bidet for what you're getting. You're gonna save tons of money on toilet paper, and the parts are actually quality parts. They're not cheap. Like the T-splitter that you saw for the install is not some cheap plastic T-splitter. It's actually made out of metal, so this is something that will last you a really long time. And if you're into these short, bite-sized, to-the-point videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.